Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Peacock on Roku, quick fix step by step clearly. To activate Peacock on your Roku device, start by powering on your Roku. Navigate to the home screen using your remote. Scroll down to the streaming channels option and select it. In the channel store, search for Peacock by typing its name in the search bar. Once you find the Peacock app, select it to open the app page. Click on the Add Channel button to install the Peacock app on your Roku. After the installation completes, return to the home screen. Locate and open the Peacock app. You will see an option to sign in or activate your account. Choose the option to activate your account. A unique activation code will be displayed on your screen. Using a computer or mobile device, visit the activation website at peacocktv.com/tv. Once there, enter the unique activation code from your Roku. Log in with your existing Peacock account, or create a new one if necessary. After logging in, click on the Submit button. Your Roku will refresh automatically, and you will be signed into your Peacock account. Now you can start enjoying all the content available on Peacock. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.